A calculus detection stroke is different than removal because of how much pressure we put. And we also are using it to feel two ways instead of one. So when we do a detection stroke, we are going to be really, really light with our hand. I don't want to see any flexing of the knuckles, like pinching the instrument. That's going to prevent us from feeling as much. So really, really nice, light, modified pin grasp. And as you explore, you're going to feel both down when you go subgingivally and when you go back. It's a two-way feeling because calculus is a bump. You should feel a bump, 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 bump. Really, really light. If I try to push on the tooth, I just can't feel as well. I don't know if I'm feeling CEJ. I don't know if I'm feeling calculus. It's really, really awkward. So we want it nice and light and then really, really slow, methodical, up and down feeling so I can feel if it's calculus, decay, contact, CEJ, whatever. Calculus removal is a little bit different, but when you're exploring, I want you to go so light, so slow to make sure that you're adapted correctly, but then you're also feeling for that tooth and feeling for calculus.